Good evening, everybody. This is NCP. I've been having a slight problem with the Sonoff switch ever since I upgraded to a mesh network. One of them worked in the kitchen, which is for cabinet lights, but the bathroom lights and my shop fan don't work. The secondary bathroom, I should say. So I tried pairing it every which way. Wi-Fi network, IoT network, everything. So it would sync up and then it would just be offline. So I got sync. So if you got one that won't line up, that just blinks, even in compatibility mode, and my network is supposedly AI, so it should do all this stuff, but it doesn't. So, or apparently it does. It does actually. So I went in here and I took this thing apart. I took it down and replaced the other one right now. So I got the other one, so I can't show you the working one, but I look at this. I'm looking at the board. I'm looking for signs of obvious failure. And everything there looks a little okay. Maybe some heat up here. But let's take a look over here. You see it? Can you see it? Let's get over here. There is a surface mount. I can't even see. The diode that went smoky smoke. I can see right here, wherever it is. Let me a better screwdriver for you guys. I can see right here. Well, yeah, it's too hard for me to operate a screwdriver apparently. Okay. Screw it. Right there is the problem. So let me get that focused in for you. Let's zoom in on it. I can see that surface mount. Looks like it could be a diode. Could be a capacitor. This isn't a wet environment. I see other signs of degradation. I can see where this looks like moisture damage to me. But I don't know, there's some corrosion on this board. But that no right. That is bad. And I can see all the other stuff here, which may be flux, but I can see a lot of points of failure here. Yeah. So if you have one that isn't connecting, that's probably your problem. I can't even read the circuit board. Looks like C10, so I guess the capacitor. Whatever that is, I don't know. I can't even read it no more. But it's only like $7 or something bucks, so I just put a new one up there. So that's what's up, guys. If it isn't working, that C10 is probably your problem. Now I don't see any wet stuff on here. It looks wet, but that's flux. But this is probably just flux because this bathroom isn't used. But see, that's rusted there. I don't know. I can't even see the label on that chip. But if you have one that lights up, does everything it should, but just appears offline or not connected, I have a good sneaky suspicion that it's corrosion. Maybe they use corrosive flux. Because like I said, there shouldn't be water moisture in here. This bathroom's never used. Last time it was used was about a year ago when we had the chicks in here. Well, I guess 2 times. So, the chickens. They were just kept in the bathroom. That was closed. So it's been normal temperature. No water in here. We don't use it. So it's kind of a guest bathroom. Not a lot of guests. But I just want to show you that. Check for corrosion or just junk the unit. I mean, look at this. Look at the solder here. The bigger the gob, the better the job, right? Somebody made bridges there. I mean, yeah. Some of those diodes there, D2 might be cracked. I don't know. I can't see with this phone, but yeah. Where was it on that chip right there, about the middle? Yeah. So just, jeez. Yeah, let's ignore that tweak connector there. So that's what, guys, NCP. So if it's not connecting, it's probably not your network. I thought it was. I was ready to get the old router up and reconnect it, but It's just kind of principle. Didn't want to do it. I mean, the cap looks good. I figured it had a blown capacitor, but that's not bulging or leaking. Yeah, so that's the gist of it. Just try a different one, and that's probably your problem. I just didn't know when this thing ate itself and the magic smoke came out. So we're never in here, so I don't know how long it's been bad. I mean, it's not, these aren't high, well, that could be leaking there. No, I don't think so. But I don't know when these components went bad. I think after the current set runs out, I got like 4 of them total, so I got a couple more to go. But I'll probably just go ahead and get some new ones, or a different brand. But I like the shop because it had the humidity sensor, but I've got other things around that. I've got the Yo-Link now for humidity, so I'll probably just take it out and just use it for my shop fan. So that's what's up. Alright guys, it's NCP. You have a great weekend or whatever. Whenever I upload this, I don't know. Alright, have a good one. NCP out.